Alright guys, Mirror Brothers here.
Alright, today we're back in Cancun, as the usual. We're in Kristal, Cancun. Come on, we're gonna give you a quick room tour. So over here we got a small bathroom, a sink, some little space, a toilet, and then behind this door is the shower. Alright, then as soon as you walk in, you have a bunch of storage as well, ironing board, safe, that kind of stuff. And over here we have here's the safe, coffee machine, and a small mini bar that refills every day. And making our way over here, we got two beds, and this is the living area. You got more storage space right there, a big couch, and the TV.
Alright, over here we have like an office area, a little phone, 24-hour room service. Over here, we got the view.
We got the view here. Pretty nice view. Kind of a busy day out at the beach. We just got here though, chill for a bit, and then hit the waves, I guess.
Yeah, go